So hello guys, today we will learn about new method, that is substitution method. The substitution method is a technique used to solve a system of equations, usually two equations with two variables. So I got two equations, x minus 2y is equals to 8 and x plus y is equals to 5. So I'll write the second equation first because it is simple. So to find the values of variable like x and y that satisfies both the equations. It helps to reduce two equations into one by substituting one variable in terms of the other. So here I'll substitute x in first equation, that is x is equals to 5 minus y. So I'll write the first equation. Now in place of x I'll write the value, that is 5 minus y, close the bracket, minus 2y is equals to 8. So further solving, 5 minus y minus 2y is equals to 8. So I'll take this 5 in that side, minus y minus 2y is equals to 8 minus 5. I have taken that 5 to the other side. Now I will get minus 3y is equals to 3. So y is equals to minus y is equals to 3 divided by 3, that is 1. So I got the value for y, that is minus 1. Now I have to find the value for x by substituting y value. So I'll write the second equation, y plus x plus y is equals to 5. So x minus 1 is equals to 5. I'll take that minus 1 to that side, that is 5 plus 1. So x is equals to 5 plus 1, that is 6. So I found values for both x and y. The value of x is equals to 6 and y is equals to minus 1. I have second problem, that is x plus y is equals to 3 and x plus 3y is equals to 5. I'll write the first equation and I'll keep x term on one side and 3 minus y. So I'll substitute x in second equation, that is x plus 3y is equals to 5. In place of x I substitute 3 minus y. 3 minus y plus 3y is equals to 5. So I'll take this 3 on the other side. Here minus y plus 3y is equals to 5 minus 3. I'll get 2y is equals to 2. Y is equals to 2 divided by 2, that is 1. I got the value for y. Y is equals to 1. Now I'll substitute the value of y in first equation to find the value for x. So x plus 1 is equals to 3 and x is equals to 3 minus 1, that is x is equals to 2. I found both the values of x and y. Therefore the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. So I've got one more problem. I'll write the second equation first, that is 3x minus y is equals to 3. I'll keep the x term on one side and rest everything I will take to the other side. So 3 plus y. So here x is equals to 3 plus y whole divided by 3. So I'll substitute this whole term in first equation in place of x. So 2x plus 5y is equals to 19. So in place of x, I'll substitute the whole term to bracket 3 plus y divided by 3, close the bracket, plus 5y is equals to 19. So I'll substitute the 2 into the bracket, so I'll get 2 into 3, that is 6 plus 2y divided by 3 plus 5y is equals to 19. So I'll split these two terms. 6 divided by 3 plus 2y divided by 3 plus 5y is equals to 19. As I have common denominator, that is 3, so I'll get 2 by cancellation. 2y divided by 3 plus 5y is equals to 19 minus 2. So next I'll do the cross multiplication. Now I get 17, 19 minus 2, that is 17. Now 2y plus 15y is equals to 17y, and this 3 will multiply with 17, that is 17, 3 are 51. Now to get the answer of y is equals to 51 divided by 17. So after cancellation I will get again 3. So y is equals to 3. Now to find the answer of x, I'll write the second equation. There is 3x minus y is equals to 3. Now in place of y, I'll put the value of y. So 3x is equals to 3 plus 3. So 3x is equals to 6. X is equals to 6 divided by 3. So after cancellation it will be 2. So x is equals to 2. I found answer for x and y. Therefore the value of x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 3. So this is the way to solve this problem by substitution method.